welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Selena and I like makeup. So if you like makeup, give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. I'd appreciate that so much. Today we're jumping into something exciting. It's something new that was released by Beautylish. It's called the Lucky Bag 2020 and it's supposed to be $150 worth of Jeffree Star makeup. Jeffree MF, I don't want to cuss, MF Star. And you guys know I'm obsessed with him. I love his makeup and the quality and the products and the marketing and the packaging, everything I'm obsessed with. So I jumped on it as soon as I could. I just got it today, so I wanted to film this as soon as I can, and that's so crazy because I was literally wearing this today and I can't believe it's just, I don't know, I'm just so excited. Okay, let's just jump in. Okay, so Beautylish sends it all nice and wrapped, very pretty. Let's just open it up. Lucky bags are a Japanese New Year custom that are inspired to create your own. That inspired us to create our own. Oh, so it's for like the Chinese New Year or something, I think, I hope. Yeah, Lucky Bag 2020. So I'm wondering if they're gonna be doing this. Oh my God, okay. It accidentally opened, but I'm wondering if they're going to be doing this every year. If they are, I will definitely be purchasing. Well, we will have to see actually if I got scammed or not, but let's jump in. Alright, so here is my Lucky Bag. I already see blue blood in this, and guess what? I just got this in the mystery box, so guess what this is going to be? Giveaway. Stay tuned to my Instagram for that. If you're not following me on my Instagram, I will leave it linked down below, but it's at Selena, SELENA.ANNAV. Ooh, okay. So the first item that I see is Beauty Pageant. This is a lip ammunition. These go for $18. Oh, so this is supposed to be $150 worth of product, and I paid, I believe, $75, and with taxes it ended up being $81. So with just that lipstick it was $18. Lip ammo, I think I already have this. It's so pretty. I don't think I have this actually. Look at that. Oh my goodness, beautiful. Beauty Pageant. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this. Okay, it's actually not like I expected it would be. It's very neutral. It's not super like pop. It looks more like a gloss, but in a liquid, in a lipstick form. So it could be a nice topper actually. Very neutral. Not neutral, but like if you want a gloss without having to reapply gloss every 10 minutes, this would be your thing. So Beauty Pageant lip ammo, that's $18. The next item that I have is Purple Urkel liquid lipstick. Liquid lipsticks also go for $18, so we're at $36. And I'm not a super fan of purple, but like I said before in my previous videos, all his liquid lipsticks are eye safe, so that would make a very pretty purple base. The next product that I see in here is a, oh my God, yay! Okay, this is the Androgyny lip liner. His lip liners, let's see, they go for $16, so we're at $52. And I love his lip liner packaging. They are so cute. So here's the packaging on that. It's like a crown top, and then let's pop it open and swatch it. Ugh, I love it, you guys. I love Androgyny. So there it is right there. I love that it's nude and it's darker to get that like contour lip. I like that look color. It's in style right now, so excited to try that. Next item is a Skin Frost in Wet Dream. Oh my god. So I don't have this one. So let's go ahead and open it up and swatch. Wet Dream. Ooh, it looks like a neutral tone. It's so blinding. But there it is, and here it is swatched on my finger. Yeah, it's super soft. If you don't have these, they are amazing. Yes, it's like a neutral tone, very pretty. And then the Skin Frost, I want to say go for like 32. Let's see. Yeah, they go for 32. So that puts us at $84. So just the two lips, the liner, and the Supreme Frost, we are already more than what I paid for it, basically, including taxes, so that's great. And then the next item that I see is Heat Wave. This is a Liquid Frost highlighter. Now, I don't use these Liquid Frosts as much, so I definitely will be giving this away in the giveaway, so definitely check out my Instagram. I'll probably be posting right after this video goes up, so follow me on the IG if you want to be entered in the giveaway. I'll also be having like a separate YouTube giveaway, but for now we're gonna start with Insta. And then of course, Big Daddy right here, Blue Blood. I believe these retail for $65. Let me see. Oh, by the way, the Liquid Frost goes for $25, so we were at $84 plus $25. That puts us at $109. And then Blue Blood is $52. So that gives me the grand total of $161, and I paid $75, technically $81. So that's already $80 worth of free makeup. And guess what? You guys get something out of it too, because I'm going to be giving these two products away. So like I said, follow me on Instagram and you will have to stay tuned for that. I'll go ahead and open this up and show you. Yes, honey, I'm not going to touch any of the shades because I definitely want to give this away. But look how beautiful that is. This is something iconic, something stunning that you need to have in your vanity. So I can't wait to give this to somebody who actually needs it. So that's everything we got in this lucky bag. I'm pretty satisfied with my purchase. Just by me giving away these two products and keeping everything else, I got what I paid for, and I get to give you guys something back. So that's pretty exciting. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys have a beautiful rest of the day, and I'll catch you in the next one. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Love you guys. Bye.